Now, Broccoli from the Mango Discord community asked me to cover VeChain today. She's been super engaged, very excited to be there. So this is to say, guys, if you are engaged in the community and if you have any requests, let me know. And also, you're more likely to get noticed there. So yeah, Broccoli, this one's for you. Also, this is actually a great chart. So this is an amazing, amazing request. And quite honestly, VeChain actually has a 500% move ahead of it. Today, I'll be showing you exactly why I believe VeChain is getting up to these targets. Additionally, I'll be giving you guys the most immediate trade setup that I see on VeChain's chart. Now, before I get into the juice, guys, don't forget BitUnex's campaign. They're giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. Guys, there's no KYC, there's no country restriction. This is money the corner of the room. It's going to help you beef up your existing positions, put on new positions. I believe you still have a week left on it. I'll be linking the campaign in the description below. Now, much like many of the other charts out there, VeChain 2 is putting in this reversal formation. All right, we've all sort of emerged from this bear market to bull market, but to get into the bull market, they often put in these reversal formations. Now, VeChain has something very, very similar that many of the other charts have had so far. This is a beautiful cup and handle formation. Now, I have the exact numbers annotated on my screen to the neckline of the pattern. It's only when prices start closing over that neckline will I say, okay, this pattern has officially been activated. VeChain bulls, get ready. Now, this pattern has a target. And what is that target? Well, this is where the magic happens. If we have to take the measured move of the cup and handle formation, plot it on the break, this is going to take VeChain up to those all-time highs, 24 cents, the previous bull market high. But mind you, what you're looking at right now is the monthly time frame. Every candle is 30 to 31 days of price action. Just a couple of days ago, I got the wildest question. I proposed a macro pattern on one of the other altcoin charts, okay, and this pattern would take this coin up to another 200, 300% to the upside. And literally 2 days later, the person comes back to me and he's like, well, it hasn't hit the target. Are we even going to get there? I'm like, this is a macro target. You're looking at 30 to 31 days of price action. Now take VeChain, for example. The last time VeChain was on this red box territory, all right, from the red box territory around 4 cents all the way up to 24 cents, how long did that take price action to get up there? That was a good 84 days. 84 days of price action for price to get up there. So no, these plays are not going to happen in 2 days, but hey, you want to position ahead of time. And that's why you always want to capture the best bids to then be able to ride these trades to the upside. Now, yes, I see this beautiful bullish pattern on VeChain's chart, but would I personally buy VeChain right here, right now? No, we have not cleared the neckline. And for long as price lives against that neckline, against that red box territory, I'm saying VeChain is up against resistance. And rule number one as a good trader, never buy up against resistance, okay? You either wait on a pullback, giving you a better bid opportunity, or you wait for prices to confirm over the red box territory to then grab your bid. Because at that point, you would have received confirmation that, okay, the bulls have found acceptance over 5 cents. The market wants to take this up even further. But at the very least, you got confirmation. Now, for me, I would want to catch VeChain on the pullback, okay? Trends move like this. Capturing a trade on the pullback makes those trades very, very easy to manage. Now, to figure out if VeChain is poised for a breakout or a pullback, get into the Mango dashboard. You guys can find this on app.mangoresearch.co. We now have a brand new meme filter on there as well. So if you guys like trading the meme coins, you can actually go ahead and filter out only the meme coins on the list. However, VeChain is not a meme coin. Let's filter out VET from this list. All right, VeChain right here. So we got longs across the board. The bulls have taken over. Good stuff. You can see on the 12-hour time frame, you got an alert 9 days ago telling you that VeChain's trend flipped long 9 days ago. If that prompted you to look at the chart, you saw a good trade set up on there, you took the trade, you're up 51% on the trade. So the dashboard is essentially going to tell you when is it time to be looking at a chart for that next beautiful trade setup. Because guys, there are so many coins in this market right now. So many. How do you know which ones are worth trading? Well, it's going to help you with that. Now, as far as the pullback opportunity is concerned, I want your eyes to be on the volatility profile right here. Now, volatility is screaming red. Those very big numbers, 72, 100. So volatility is expanded. Every time volatility expands to these high red numbers, I often look to see if there are signs of exhaustion from the bulls. Now, when they get exhausted, that's when you can look for those pullback opportunities on the chart. All right, but I never use this in isolation. Now I want you guys to look at the entire picture. You got volatility hovering at red, telling you that, okay, the bulls might be getting exhausted. Additionally, VeChain is currently up at resistance, okay? If there's any time that you could see a pullback opportunity, it's going to be up at resistance. But in addition to that, the 4-hour, we got potential bearish divergence. All right, so if this bearish divergence triggers, then we could see a deeper pullback on VeChain. Now I'm keeping the pullback criteria very simple. Get into the 4-hour time frame, the time frame where the trend is currently being established at, and pull up the Mango dynamic. The dynamic is going to help you capture some amazing bid opportunities, bids that are going to be easy for you to manage. Now the dynamic is going to help with that. Notice how ever since VeChain's trend actually started right here, okay, we've been trending on the Mango dynamic indicator. Every visit of dynamic support was picked up by the buyers. Now prices got down to the dynamic right here, got picked up, but then we broke swiftly. Right? When you break, you know that, hey, something different is happening on the chart. I'm invalidated on my trade. Get out of your trade because now you can reposition lower. All right, and did prices come lower? Yes, it did. But it helps you manage your position, helps you manage your trade. Wherein, if in case you're wrong, you get to get out with a minimal loss and you can find out very fast that you're wrong on the trade. So it gives you a lot of these stress-free trade setups. Now, even during this phase right here, we dipped into where dynamic support. And did we catch a bit on that? Yes, we did, because VeChain rallied a good 8.5% right off of that bid zone. So once again, as far as the bid opportunity is concerned, I'll be looking towards dynamic support because I know that it's going to be super duper easy to manage this trade in case prices break to the downside. Right? If prices break dynamic support, I know that I'm wrong on the trade. I will exit the trade and then reposition lower. Right? I'm emphasizing a couple of words here because I notice that some people like to cherry pick my trade analysis. They'll be like, oh, but she said the target is here, this is the bid zone, but everyone forgets about the invalidation. Every trade should have an invalidation. Ask yourself, where is my invalidation point? When am I wrong on this trade? Now I'm annotating the bid zone on my screen, comes in from around 0.039 all the way up to 0.04. Okay, that's the bid zone on the dynamic indicator. Now once again guys, if you're looking to take this trade, do not forget to take advantage of the very generous BitUnix campaign. Now this is trade setup number 1 where we get the pullback and then we're looking for continuation to the upside. Now for those of you wondering, well Krisha, what if we don't get that pullback? What if prices just rally from here and rip from here because, well, after all, we are in a bull market? Well, in that case, guys, prices rip. At that point, you're buying the breakout, but you want to look for confirmation over that key region of resistance currently coming in at 0.04. Okay, oftentimes prices will give you a retest of that region of resistance and only then rally to the upside. But you want to capture that retest because at the very least you get confirmation that, okay, prices actually want to move up further, but you're always looking for confirmation. Buying right now, right here, is you buying in the middle of the range. Trade management is going to be miserable. All right, you'll have to be glued to your screen to see if price is moving up or price is moving down. Because if prices move against you here, I mean, VeChain could drop 8% and you're still not wrong on your trade. Consider that. All right, you're sitting through an 8% bleed to figure out if you're wrong. By the time it gets down here, you are already spooked out. You don't have any more emotional or mental equity to stomach any more losses. So you end up getting out of the trade as soon as it's on support. So make trading easy for yourself. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way.